Hi everybody, my name is Fun Man and today I'm going to show you how to use the washing machine here. So right now I'm at Wyoming, Laramie, and you might be staying in an Airbnb on a hostel that has this Bosch washing machine. Now step 1, very simple here, do not be frightened by the many buttons. You just need to fill the door, right? You cannot pull anywhere. There is this sign here that says red color, you give it a little pull. And it's open. Next step, you insert the clothing you want to wash. And here it is. Just grab it, put inside. More for one load. LA, come. Today we have a guest. LA from the Philippines. Come. All in. That's right. Of course, without the plastic bag, okay? Because it's not biodegradable and it won't dissolve in it. Okay, push it all the way. Okay. Now, close the door gently and make sure you hear the sound. Secure. Next step, what you want to do is, right, either you have a choice of putting the washing powder, right, you can put like 1/3 of a cup here, but today we're going to try something new. This is the laundry powder pack. You just have to dip your hand inside and grab one of these bags here, this sack here, right? And you know what? It says here is dissolve in cold water. So you open the door again. Now let's practice. Pull and put one inside here. It will dissolve because it's a polymer material that will disintegrate in the water. You can just imagine like sugar dissolve in your mouth. Next step. LA, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. You want to go for a quick one?
Yeah.
Okay, so 25 minutes?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so quick wash, 25 minutes. Right, if you don't understand English, we can learn it together. And I'll put warm. Once ready, you can press start. Okay, and this is the timer, ready for countdown. The door is locked, so do not figure out anything. No more pulling. Now you hear the rinsing of the water, right? Okay. If you want to save some electricity or the water, you might wish to press equal. Too many clothings? Oops. Heavy duty. Today, we can just say rinse plus. Right? If in any case you forgot to insert any clothing, you might want to just pause and continue. Right here you can select the kinds of spin. Not top spin, lower spin, but maximum spin, reduced spin, gentle spin, no final spin. Because some of your clothing will be very delicate. And you got to check the labels of your clothing whether it is suitable for cold wash, warm, hot. Because not every clothing are the same. Delicates for silk. Okay? So here we are. We wait for about half an hour and we'll come back. Thank you for watching. See you!